so once I was 7 years old. I always had that dream like my dad before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about the glory just always seems so boring, 'cause only those I really love will ever really know. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. Before the morning sun, when life was lonely. Once I was 20 years old. See my goals, I don't believe in failure, 'cause I know the stories places they can make it major. I've got my boys with me, at least those in favor. And if you don't meet before I leave, I hope I see you later. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. Before the morning sun, when life was lonely. Once I was 20 years old. Soon I'll be 60 years old. My dad got 61. Remember life and then your life becomes I'm so happy when I wrote the letter home. I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old. I think I want to start. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Soon I'll be 60 years old. I think the world is cold. I haven't let a dream look and worry. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Once I was 7 years old. My mama told me, make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old.